Ano nangyari kay Kuya dyan? Takaw ng isa dyan na hindi namimigay, oh. Jel! We're almost near to the beach and to our hotel. Double beds or queen beds. This is good for 3 adults. Empty ref, TV. Wow. Yeah. It's spacious. Wow. So here is our view. Just right in front of the beach. So beautiful. So here is Loco bar, restaurant, and hotel. And there's another room beside us. Airport outfit. Harlan and Holden. And ano ba to? And of course, coffee. Because IF is life. So our room is here on the left side. Look pa ang mag-ama. So the two of us will go out to the mall. The mall. And
Coco Mama.
Coco Mama. Ala ko ng boho pants.
Tara na.
Let's go. Let's just walk. No, mag-trike na lang tayo. After ano naman 7 minutes meron ng tricycle dun sa ano.
Doon?
And then we'll be here tomorrow for the happy hour. Tita Mags. Okay din daw ang food dito. Affordable. Slay. Grand Blue. So we are approaching the busy part of Station 3. Dito yung may mga water activities. And then dito ata yung exit papuntang main road.
Yan.
So you can take the trike here from Angol Point. Ito si Kuya. Biglang inoferan kami ng special ng special trip daw. So 100 pesos going to D Mall. Para hindi na kami masyadong maglalakad.
Ang pila namin dito. Bali special trip na yan, ma'am. Kaya yan. Wala tayong pick up.
Pwede na rin ano, no? Kahit hindi na tayo magpa-pick up ng trike dun sa hotel. Kasi short walk lang naman from our hotel to pathway na to?
Station 3.
Sa Station 3 yung yung nilikuan namin para papunta sa main road. Hindi naman na siya masyadong malayo. Ayan, nandito na kami sa D-Mall. Ano tawag dito?
D-Mall na.
Hindi, ito. Yung ano na yan? Lake. Man-made lake. Lake Town. Kuya. Thank you. Hey, we're here! In Martina's favorite place in Boracay, D-Mall. Especially budget mart.
Init, mami, huwag dyan.
Ayaw outside.
Wala.
Happy na tayo dito. Ang dami pala nito. Isa na ba yun? Sarap. Ay! Ayaw nga. No.
What? Coco mango? What? Mango mama? Mango
Ba't makakabili? Niya-visit ka.
Mango ice cream.
Let's buy mango ice cream?
Yeah.
Want mango flavor?
Mango shake na yan eh.
Look, oh Miguel, so many boots.
Mango ice cream. I want. Oh, it's a mommy.
Hi!
Miguel!
You eat.
Yummers! Combination of pork and chicken. Pork grilled chicken was small. Ayan. In another sauces, we had pork. We had the spice. Unlimited ba yung sauce niya? Pwede
Pwede
yung
mo
gawin yun. For the spicy one, garlic and lime and
I want a straw.
No, you put here.
mababa yan. Na. Pagod na? Pagod na yan? Nagsusukli pa. Bagay yan sa'yo! You need that.
Bibili ako bracelet.
Tina. Hi. Oh, nandito na pala yung nagising. Lapit lang. Lunch tayo mamaya dyan. Mamaya dyan may barbecue, isaw. Hindi na siya Lotus Bistro pa rin. Pero nawala yung statue. Nasaan na yun? Entrance na siya ngayon. Mga private beach houses. Now, meron pa doon, hindi siya lahat. Mga resort din, pero villa type. Sundown Restaurant. Sundown Beach Studios. Ganda rin dyan, no? Private villas. Meron dito yung signature din. Ayun, signature Boracay Blue. May swimming pool dyan sa taas. Ganda rin dyan. Signature Boracay Blue. Nandun yung pool sa taas. Very cozy in here. Love ko din. Ito yung Kayana, Boracay. Station Y. Boracay. Ito. Anong meron dito? Anong ganap dyan? Ito na yung Auhana. Tatakbo na. Sige, pagod kayo dyan, ah. Walang kalumot-lumot dito sa Angol Point. Ito na yung long stretch of Auhana. Ganda. Ilang linggo pa yung mga yan dito. No, that will take weeks. Sobrang brown na. Yung mga mahilig mag under the tree dun sa kaninong property yun kay Rizal, diba yun? Kanino nga ba? Yan, pwede rin kayo dito. wala pang katao-tao dito. Malayo kasi. Malayo ang lalakarin from the Angol main road. No, pasya lang tayo. Okay din mag-picture dyan, oh Martina. Bakit? Ganda. Yan. Ito dapat walang tao.
Kuya, anong nangyari kay Kuya dyan?
Hello. Net.
Oh no, you can. Yeah, may cheese. May kasamang soup pala yung ano, katsu. Ano, katsu. White House.
Saan tayo lalakad? Sa Dima?
What do you want to do now?
Ay, mukhang bored naman yung tao dun, no? Sige na! Wala na ako. Wala ba? Sinabi ko na. Ito na yung adobo, no? Ay, init. Hi, Miguel! What do you want to do? Ah. But the sand is dry.
I want the flashlight.
Flashlight again. Naubos niya yung food? Ah. Ah. Hi. See?
Hello po, ma'am. Kung gusto yung food, ma'am.
Busog pa.
Sige po. Bukas, ma'am.
Pwede.
Okay po.
Daming tao sa Nagisa. Hello. Ito yung dulo na ng Station 3. But it's so peaceful. Usually yung mga napapakita lang is hanggang Ocean Club sa gabi. Ito yung itsura ng Angol Beach. Yan. Quiet lang. This is the night time. Yan. Tahimik talaga. And ito yung bar sa dulo, and this is Ohana. Yan. Hindi ako pupunta sa Ohana. Martina! Average. This is our hotel for our first 2 nights. Tapos tabi niya itong Kokoloko. Ano? Ganyan ba? Oo.
Isa pa nga. Oh. Oh, try mo yung 5.
Mahirap yan. So this is our first hotel, Signature South Beach. And that's our room on the left. So nice. Ito yung pataas sa mga rooms. Reception. This is the restaurant. Mamma Mia! we also eat here at Coco Loco. It's also a bar and hotel right beside it. And nag-billiards kami dito yesterday during happy hour. Their dining area. Been here also last year. Kaya binalikan namin kasi I love the vibes here. Gets busy here during happy hour. Ganda rin siya. Ayun, meron siyang room upstairs. Then the rest are at the back. Ganda. And this is their cozy spot in front under the shady trees. And this is Villa Camilla. Meron na uli silang beach beds. And this is the way to Station 3, 2, and 1. Ayan, ito yung anak ko. Ayan, magpapapicture na ako. Later, ha? This is their pork adobo.
I want the mirror. I want the mirror.
Tinola. And
Chicken burger.
yan, nagbabad sa araw.
Kakulay
mo na yung rash guard mo. We're now going to our second hotel, our home in Boracay, White House, Station 1. Familiar, very familiar. Hi, Kuya, again. We're home. Asan yung room natin nun? 102? 103? Ito, ata tayo last year eh.
Transfer naman yung ibang hotel yung iba.
Ha?
Transfer sa ibang hotel yung iba.
Ah, magta-transfer. Good afternoon. Ah, 201. Dito, dito. Ah, dyan muna kayo. Ay! 201. Ang ganda. Laki ng room namin. Sige kuya, pasok ka na. Ay! Wow. This is their superior family room. Meron pa bang ilaw, kuya?
Yes, ma'am. Yung natin lahat, ma'am.
Pwede ka mag-roller skate dito, Miguel, oh.
There.
They're just on the second floor. Dahil medyo fully book na ngayong dates. So medyo napamahal kami ngayon. Before, yung Superior Deluxe namin is 7,000 plus extra person. Ngayon, Superior Family Room is 10,000 pero good for 3 adults na yon. And libre na yung kid. And mas malaki siya dun sa dati naming room. Doble. Try nyo nga Smart TV.
Just jump.
See?
Jump. Jump.
It's an empty ref.
Other hotel.
It's okay.
Why was there the other hotel? My house.
We have our own super. Tada! Ito muna tayo sa sink. Model ka dyan. Harap dito. Ayan. Party in the bathroom, oh. And this is their wait lang, toilet area. Walang bidet. Bakit? Ay, hindi. Meron nata dito. Ayun. Hindi ako sanay dyan. Yung gano'n, no? They have a different kind of bidet. May tingnan. And this is the shower area. Ayan. So, how many? Okay, baba tayo. Pupool daw sila.
People almost left there.
You like it?
So, this is their bar. Remove your slippers.
Meron sa ano, yung mga naka-display pa lang.
Yes. Oh, so this is the event. Yan, ito yung may event sila ngayon for 3 days, Friday to Sunday. Sponsored by Hennessy. Yes.
Thank you.
Showing you the Sur Boracay property. We spent our happy hour here on our third day. Kasi maingay dun sa hotel namin. Ayan, that's their music. And may bayad ang mga tables. Kumangas. Oo nga. Oo, sir. Pag nainom mo, libre, ganon?
Puro ano yun, puro tatapang na yun.
Naku, ba't ka naman iinom ng ganon? Ano, pag naubos, libre?
Pagpapa ka na to. Tapos may tamid ng
Siguro kuya, umiinom ka doon.
hanggang tatlo lang. Madala kasi.
Hindi natin na ano yun, ano, na-try yun. Tagal na kami nagbabarakay kuya, 2000 ano pa lang. Gabi, 2000. Every year yan.
Sikat yung dati.
Oo. Tsaka iba pa yung Coco Mangas na meron pa sila sa harap. Yung may setup pang ano, basta naka-setup lang yan sa harap.
Pier 1 yan.
Ayun, Pier 1 din. Oo, magkakatabi. Station 1 ang pinaka-maraming bar.
Mapasura pa natin.
Saka may mga... Miguel, dito. Thank you.
Sige, may iba naman tayo ha.
Sige, sleep na.
Yeah, baby.